Some of my students have earned over £60 from survey site, and not just my students, some of my followers are also making a lot of money from this particular survey site. And in today's video, I'll be showing you the exact step these people followed. I will also show you the proof of their payments, and I will also tell you what you need to do before you start taking survey on this particular site. And I'm doing this because I've had a lot of complaints from my subscribers, my followers, and even some of my students, yes, that our survey is now frustrating. There's no money in survey. You know, there's one little thing that people are missing right now, and this is what my students are applying currently, and it is helping them make some money from paid survey. And if you want to make money in paid survey, I'm not even talking to people that have been making money on paid survey. I'm talking to people that are just coming across my video, people that just want to start making money on paid survey. Probably you saw my video, or you saw my video last 2 months. You want to start paid survey, and maybe you don't know how to start. This video is for you, because let me tell you one secret. Survey is now favoring people that are new to it. You see, those of us that started taking paid survey since last year, we are tired of paid survey. The people that are enjoying now are people that are just starting paid survey. People that are just starting their survey journey, they are the ones enjoying. So if you are new to paid survey, you want to make money through paid survey, make sure you stick around this video, because I'll be revealing to you the secrets my students and my subscribers are using to earn money through paid survey. Hi guys, how are you doing? I hope you're great and you're winning your world. This is Amigos Concept, and I'm back with another mind-blowing information. If today is your first time tuning in, you're welcome. In this channel, we talk about YouTube growth, monetization, and growth hacks, and we also teach you how to make money online through paid survey and other means of making money online. So if this is something you're interested in, please go ahead and subscribe to this channel. Drop me your amazing comments, like this video, share it so that your friends and family will also learn from this amazing information. And lastly, do not forget to turn on the bell notification so that you don't miss any of my content each time I upload them. Now, with all that being said, let us dive straight into this video so that we start learning the secrets my students are using to cash out recently. They don't want to tell anybody, but I will tell you. Many people jump into surveys, but they hardly get qualified or get paid. You know, there's this thing that my students always do. I teach them to do before they start taking paid survey, because when I post my results online, I see a lot of my subscribers, a lot of my followers will start saying, oh, please give us the link, oh, please give us the site. You know, they forget that paid survey, taking paid survey is not just about registering on the site and, you know, answering questions. There are some things you need to do if you want to succeed with paid survey in 2026. And one of those things are knowing the survey sites that are legit, that can pay you. Because yes, there are a lot of survey sites that, let me just use the word casted. They don't like, they will not disqualify you. Is a new one they learned now. You will take surveys, they will allow you to complete the surveys. If it's a survey of 2 hours, they will allow you to complete the surveys, and at the end of the day, you will not get paid. You know, a lot of surveys are doing it now, but few platforms are still genuinely paying their participants. And one thing I do for my students is help them discover those sites. You know, when I started coaching a few months ago, yes, I had over 30 survey sites. Do you know that as I'm speaking to you now, close to all that 40 survey sites have been casted. You know, you finish surveys, they don't pay you. So imagine searching for survey sites, and you search and you search and you discover 30, and inside those 30 survey sites, 26 or 25 of those survey sites don't pay. So imagine how frustrating it is. But I was able to discover this particular one for them. And this particular survey site is not just one, but this particular one I want to talk about in today's video have done wonders for my channel. And I'm really impressed, because for the longest now, we've been trying all we could. You know, you now look like, you know when you're coaching people and you're not seeing results, it will look as though you are a failure. You know, you have that feeling of, oh, I'm not succeeding. You know, that feeling will always be there. But you know, we tried out this new thing and it's working. And I now told what I told the old student, because like I said, it is the new student now that are implementing this thing and it's working for them. So now the challenge we have with old students is that they are used to, making big money from paid survey. Like you take one survey, you make $2. You take one survey, you make $1. They are used to it. But the new ones that are coming, they are okay with 0.20 cents, 0.30 cents. They are okay with it, and that way they will be accumulating. And the challenge we have again is that those survey sites that pay that much, that like you take one survey, they can pay you $3 or they can pay you $2. Those survey sites have been casted. Like they don't pay like they used to pay before. So the new students now, they are okay with it, and before you know, they will accumulate. One of my students told me that, oh ma, in less than 2 weeks I was able to accumulate over 20 pounds. Okay, and the old students, they are still there chasing $2 per survey, $1 per survey, and the new ones are accumulating small like that. So if you've been frustrated with survey recent behavior, not paying, and all the stress, and you want to start afresh, this is the site that is paying my student currently. This information is a paid information, but I'll give you for free anyways, because you have been an amazing subscriber. So it's Survey Llama. Survey Llama is not a new site. It's not a new site. I've talked about Survey Llama on this platform several times, but I feel that because other survey sites are not paying, people are now going back to Survey Llama. This particular survey site, any of my students that tried this particular survey sites have been able to make something significant, and I'm going to put proof for you on the screen, okay? But before then, a student registered last week, and when she joined, she told me, oh please ma, I need you to hold my hands and walk me through all the process until I start making money. And I said, that's what you paid for. Do you know that we finished setting up our templates? And please, I'm not omitting that template part though. You must have a template for your survey. After we finished setting up her templates that day, she set up all her equipment and everything. Do you know that same day, like she registered today, the next day we started her setup. That same day after her setup, I gave her Survey Llama sites to go and start working on. Do you know that this student was able to accumulate something significant? She was able to accumulate close to 2 pounds that very day. Like close to 2 pounds. This is somebody that came without any knowledge about survey or anything. Take a look at your screen. This is a screenshot of the withdrawal we made. This withdrawal, we've already made it. And those of you that have been taking Survey Llama, because some of my subscribers and followers will say, oh ma, I've requested for payment for the past 2 days, for the past 3 days, and I've not been able to get my payments. Now listen, Survey Llama, it will take them at least 7 working days. They might tell you 2 or 3 or 5 working days, but Survey Llama takes, like the first withdrawal we made, it took us like 10 days before we were able to get the money. Okay, the second one, I think about 7 days before we were able to get the money. So now we've requested for the third one. And also my follower, somebody that is not my student, who just come to my channel, listen and watch my video like this, apply the things I'm teaching you like I'm teaching now. He applies it. He also cashed out over 20 pounds from Survey Llama. So it's not just my students. You may have an idea of survey, and all you just need is just to hear these things I'm teaching you here. Take them, apply them, it will work for you. You don't need to be my student unless you don't even know how to start, or you've been doing it, you don't know, it's like your village people are following you, it's not working for you. Then hey, you can just say, oh my, I've tried my best on my own, I can't do it, and then we'll now see how we can put our heads together, and make it work for you. You understand? But if you already have an idea, this thing I'm telling you here, it is what is working for my students. You can apply them to your own self, and it is going to definitely work for you. Okay, now take a look at this second screenshot I'm showing you, because I want to show you all the screenshots of this second screenshot I'm showing you now. This is second screenshot. Okay, that's number 2, right? Now take a look at this other screenshots. This other screenshot might either be here or here. Now this is the third one, making over 60 pounds, right? Good. Now take a look at this one, this particular one I'm showing you now. This one, he's not my student, just my follower, just my subscriber. Yes, he watched my video here when I talked about Survey Llama, and he applied it, and it worked for him. Starting survey on Survey Llama is not difficult. Okay, Survey Llama is one platform that is open to all countries, wherever you're watching me from. The site is surveylama.com. Nothing complicated. Wherever you're watching me from, okay, you can participate in Surveylama, okay? But if you want to make dollars from Surveylama, you know what country to do. You know what country to focus on. If you want to make pounds from Surveylama, you know what countries to focus on. If you want to make naira from Surveylama, you know what country to focus on. If you want to make Australian dollars, you know what country to focus on. You understand? You can take Surveylama from anywhere in the world, but those of us who want to make money, like want to make in the higher currency, you understand? That's where your equipment, your survey equipment come in. You purchase your survey equipment that will be able to help you to earn higher. Okay? So once you're done with your registration, it's not hard. Just go to the site. I'm not doing the tutorial because it's not difficult. Just go to your site. If you're using the equipment, do your in-depth analysis. Type surveylama.com, not www.surveylama.com. Just type surveylama.com. Once it opens, you register. It's very, very explanatory. Put your email address, put your postcode, put in everything they're going to ask you. Of course, you already have your template. If you don't have your template, you can reach out to me. I can arrange that for you, but it is not free. Yeah, I can arrange templates for you. I can even help you to set up any survey site you want to set up. I can help you to do your first setup if you want. You understand? You can reach out to me, then we set it up and you start taking your survey. Another advantage with Surveylama is that Surveylama, when you answer 3 survey questions in a day, Surveylama is going to reward you with 20 LP. You understand? So that's another advantage of Surveylama, and there is always survey. Like I am doing Surveylama, and these people, they want to frustrate me with mail, survey mail, come and answer survey question, opportunity to earn. You understand? Once you register, you confirm your email address, they'll start sending you mail for surveys. They are good like that. Then another advantage of Surveylama is that Surveylama is a tremendous site. Is a tremendous site. Tremendous sites are sites that allows you to earn with anybody's PayPal. So if you're starting paid survey, because some of you will tell me, oh ma, I don't have PayPal, I cannot start, I don't know how to receive my payments. Not with Surveylama. If you're working on Surveylama, once they pay you, I know how to make your money come to you in your local bank accounts. You understand? So with Surveylama, there's no anything holding you back. You can actually start taking your survey, okay? Then another advantage, you see that this Surveylama has a lot of advantage. That's why I'm taking my time to explain this to you. Another advantage of Surveylama is that there is no any form of verification. No any form of verification. Once you accumulate their withdrawal threshold is £20. 2,000 LP. Once you accumulate that amount, you click withdraw. That's the only thing, okay? The only thing I'll say, maybe it looks like a limitation, but it's not, is that you will wait for some days before your money will come, before they will process it and pay you, okay? We've done close to 5 withdrawals on this site, and I can tell you that it is currently paying now. For people that have patience, if you are not greedy, you're not looking for $2 per survey, $5 per survey, $1 per survey, you can start working on Surveylama, start accumulating it, okay? Before you know it, you would have accumulated something significant. So with all this plenty point of mine, I hope I've been able to convince you and not to confuse you that Surveylama is one site you should give a try, is one site you should try. And also, I want to get a feedback from you, not just me telling you. Have you been able to make money from Surveylama? Have you tried Surveylama? Did it work for you? How much have you been able to make from Surveylama? Let me know in the comment section. Okay, like I said, there are other sites. I will also tell you some of the sites that is also paying us currently in our little community. And if you're out there, you just started your survey journey, or you don't know how to start, or you're interested in surveying, taking paid survey, you don't know how to start, I can coach you if you don't mind, okay? If you're interested in working with me, in this your survey journey, send me a DM on Facebook or drop a comment in this video. Tell me you want to be my student, okay? And we'll get your survey journey started very well, smoothly, and very profitable. I hope you got value from this video. If you do, please do not forget to subscribe, like, comment, and also share so that other people can get this mind-blowing information. Thank you so much for watching and staying with me to the end of this video. I will see you again in my next one.